All right, Bob, as it turns out, Punxsutawney is not very good at his
And what
job.
did I tell you? Farmer's Almanac, same thing.
Yeah, so we mentioned that he did not see his shadow, so that means early spring. I looked it up. He's only right 39% of the time.
That's worse than me.
What is your percentage? What does that sit at?
Oh, I'm sure it's right around 99.1.
Oh, okay.
99.9999999.
We'll see.
All right, let's see how I do with the McCall Winter Carnival.
Yeah.
Hey, that's our little celebration going on all this week up there in McCall. Partly cloudy skies, 28 degrees. And then a chance of some snow moving into the picture on Saturday. We actually have two waves of moisture. One for Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and that will affect the valley. This one on Saturday, that will go far enough to the north that McCall will get about a 40% chance of some snow. We only have a slight chance down here in the Treasure Valley, but that could mean some additional snow for skiers heading up there for the last weekend of the McCall Winter Carnival, heading up to Brundage Mountain. 31 degrees and partly cloudy skies for Sunday. Here's our weather headlines for today. Some areas of morning fog, a chance of some snow Wednesday, later in the day into Thursday morning, and then warmer temperatures by the weekend. Take a look at Doppler radar. We got some snow in southwestern Oregon. Most of this will kind of peter out before it makes into our area. We're pretty much dry. We did have some isolated snow showers up there around Pendleton and the Wallowa Mountains earlier this morning, but that has died off. Got some dry pavement out there, kind of chilly, 22 degrees, and a bit of a wind, giving us a feels-like temperature of 13 degrees. Some other temperatures, minus 12 in Stanley this morning, minus 5 in Chalice, and most locations down in the lower 20s here in the Treasure Valley. As far as visibility, no problem. We did have some patchy fog in the forecast for the western end of the valley. I think we're getting enough wind that's not really setting up. A little different story in Idaho Falls. Their visibility dropping below a mile, and about a mile visibility in Rexburg this morning. Here's our almanac, 37 for our high, 23 for our low, both those a few degrees below normal. This system will weaken quite a bit. There's our next weather maker for late Wednesday into Thursday. Here's our high resolution futurecast to give you some idea of the timing. Just a mixture of clouds and sunshine for today. Then we start to cloud up Wednesday about 5:15, right around our evening commute time. I think the snow will hold off until later in the evening, though. There's 9 o'clock just as it kicks in here in Boise into Thursday morning. So the possibility of a slick commute on Thursday morning just kind of depends on how much snow falls. I'm not really impressed by the system at all, and it's going to move through fast enough. I think it's just going to be some light snow at best, but even a dusting could produce some slick roads. Partly cloudy skies for Twin Falls. And for Sun Valley, mostly sunny for today, so locations further to the east will have quite a bit more sunshine. A few more clouds for northern and western locations, mostly cloudy skies for the western end of the valley, and mostly cloudy for Canyon County as well. A bit more blue sky here in Boise, partly cloudy most of the day. In fact, we'll be close to mostly sunny at times, though. And then we start to cloud up Wednesday later in the day after a partly cloudy day, most of the day, but mostly cloudy late in the day, a chance of some snow kicking in. Again, Futurecast says about 9 o'clock or so into the early morning hours on Thursday. Again, Thursday morning might be slick, but we'll have to watch that. And then dry on Friday. Our next weather system moves in, but this one goes further to the north. Only a slight chance of snow for Boise. Again, about a 40% chance for McCall. And then dry, but temperatures inch up a few degrees each and every day, back above normal by Saturday. That's the local weather.